bakit dito kailangan mag-enroll ng psychology?
Because I'm the professor.
Bakit po kailangan mag-enroll sa inyo sa CAS?
CAS parating nauuna sa curriculum, sa lahat ng bagay, nananalo parate ang CAS. At the same time, nandun tayo sa CAS. Marami tayong matututunan, tayo ang mangunguna sa anumang larangan.
So bakit dapat mag-enroll sa inyo?
Dapat lang. Alam mo naman, ang mga negosyo ay nakasalalay sa magandang kamay ng isang negosyante. At iyan ang ituturo namin sa aming mga estudyante. Paano magpayaman. So enroll na kayo sa College of Business and Accountancy.
Enroll na po kayo.
Dito sa amin sa IT, laging bago ang mga computer.
Bakit po dapat mag-enroll sa inyo ng criminology?
Because we are the only center of excellence in Calabarzon and we are level 4 accredited.
If you will join us, you will be globally competitive because it offers global exposures and of course, you will learn a lot.
So isang malaking pribilehiyo na kapag nag-enroll kayo sa pamantasan ng Enverga, dito malilinang ang mga talento ninyo, lalong-lalo na sa larangan ng pamumuno, pagiging tunay at totoong tao na mayroong dedikasyon at maglilingkod sa kapwa at sa Diyos.
Sir, bakit dito kailangan mag-enroll ng psychology?
Because we have the best program in psychology. In the whole of Quezon Province, I think psychology program in Verga University is at par with majors in Metro Manila.
The MBS Accountancy program is, I consider it as program for all seasons kasi all businesses need accountants. And the service provided by accountants are very vital in the business since it provides information necessary for decision making by different stakeholders of the organization. So I encourage everyone, although it's very challenging program, to enroll in the BS Accountancy program because it's rewarding and it's worth it once you try this program.
And this is Sa Iyo Lang, and I am Bia, your Miss Enverga 2024, reminding you to visit our website, themsef.edu.ph, to mark your first step as a #ProudEnvergas.